In this scenario, we're going to talk about the manual starting. We mentioned that before, that if we had a double PLC failure where both our primary and our secondary PLC failed, we have to have a way of starting the system up and getting it online. Typically in that application, we would have our selector mode on our master control section in the manual position, and at that point in time we can go down through and start any generator and put it online manually. Typically what you want to do is you want to choose your biggest engine to come online to pick up your loads of your community. So we'll come to our number one generator, which is our biggest one. We will push the manual start button, which puts us into the manual mode, and then at that point in time we push and hold the start button until we hear the engine start and run. Now that our unit is up and running and it's stabilized and it's ready to be closed to the bus, at that point in time what we'll do is use our bus closure indicator buttons. We push that, there'll be a little bit of a delay, and then the contactor will close. Push the on button. See, our contactor closed. At this point in time we're ready to close the main feeder that feeds the community. This is another manual option that we'll have to do in the master section. What we do is we come over here to the community breaker. You can see it's green right now. What we want to do is close this to turn the power back onto the community. All we do is roll this over, and now our power is on to the community. If for some reason you needed to turn it back off or switch to another generator, you can easily go to another unit, start it up in the manual mode, push the start button, listen for the generator to start up and come online. Once the unit is up and running up to speed, you push the breaker contactor on button. It'll synchronize with the bus and bring a second unit online. When it's synchronized, now we're running off two generators. At this point in time, you can go back to your first generator and take it offline if you need to. Basically, you'd come up to this unit, you push the stop button. This would do a soft unload of this generator set. And then basically that unit would unload and do a soft shutdown.